Alright, yo, what is going on, everyone? So, unfortunately, I recorded like an hour and a half worth of footage earlier today. I was doing like my first like MotoVlog, and I lost all of the audio to that video, so I don't have any audio at all. And I went to like eat and stuff, and yeah, I lost all of the audio. So I have zero audio for that video, which kind of blows because like I thought it was a really good experience, although the angle was a little bit off of my GoPro. I don't even know if this angle is better. I changed the angle up a little bit, and I'm hoping you guys like this angle a little bit better. But I have no clue until I rewatch the footage. So we're just taking a small drive tonight so I can actually get something edited and posted. My girlfriend texted me. I'm gonna stop in Rila because I love her a lot, and yeah. So we'll give you guys some good scenery for a second while I stop to read her message. Successfully, okay, sand in the road. I have successfully replied to my very beautiful girlfriend. So we are back. You know what? I should hit a wheelie just because. Wasn't gonna do it. not because I don't want to put anybody in danger. I really want to make this like consistent, and I want to upload consistent content around like motorcycles and just vlogging in general. Even when I'm not going to like events or anything happening, I just want to be able to hop on my bike, press record, and just go drive around and have people still interested in watching my videos. That's like the main goal. So that's always been a goal of mine ever since I like started getting into the motorcycle community and like, you know, watching a bunch of my favorite motorcycle vloggers. You know, always gotta give a huge shout out to them. They're the people who got me into motorcycles. So I will leave links to their channels in the description. But I'd just like to give a huge shout out to Brian636. Like, I watch him a ton. I love his stunts. I love all of the things that he does. Like, even like, you know, like showing the van off and the cars that he has, and just other things that like outside of motorcycle stuff, because he just makes it interesting. Like a very cool dude. I love watching his videos, and one day I wish to meet him. Like, he's one of the top people that I want to meet. Also got to give a huge shout out to gsxr. Like, I love watching his videos. His energy is just pretty hype. Like, you know, love his energy. Really cool dude. Very, very good motorcycle vlogger and rider. And also gotta give a shout out to Fastlane. Love watching his videos. Such a humble dude. I would love to meet all of them one day, but you know, if I could just meet one of them, that would be super awesome. Oh, July, maybe a firework. And how I never firework. Let me go. Are there even swings over here? Like the Ford. Oh, I'm in the Hey, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna swing. Oh yeah. Ah, shit. Oh yeah. Should I just sing? I can't. I just need to. I shouldn't have drank all those Red Bulls. I feel so wired right now. What am I gonna do? It's on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. No. I'm probably so annoying. I'm gonna watch this back and be like, oh, why? Why are you just you? Like, what's wrong with you? I'm thirsty. I need something to drink, I think. In transit repair. What does that even mean? They got a puppy. Aw. Look at it. Oh, so cute. My girlfriend would love this. I'm sending this to her. Oh, look at it. Nope. Fuck this Culver's. They need to change their driveway. I'm just being, I'm just complaining, you know. I'm just a complainer. I can't see nothing when the sun comes out. Oh my God. I don't even know how interesting this video is gonna be, but I'm gonna try my best. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm wired, guys. I'm wired. I am so wired. I feel like I could just kung fu. I feel like I could fight somebody right now. In a video game, of course. Like, you know, no violence around here. Of course not. I would rev my bike, but there's police in this area and they don't like me. Well, not me specifically, but they don't like motorcycles. So, you know, I'll just do it. I'll just do an impersonation of how my bike sounds. And that's when it dies because I revved it too much. Yeah, it blew up something. So yeah, that's my interpretation. You guys can take it how you like it. Alright, we're gonna go fast mode. I'm annoying, I know. When I get Red Bull in my system, everything just wow. So oh my God, I didn't think it was gonna be this bad. That's what it's like. Just fucking gravel on the road. Whoa. Gravel, 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 gravel. Go fast mode. Woo! I'm not even going that fast, but it feels like it. I could go fast if I wanted to. Wait, there's that shit up here, isn't there? Yeah, hold on. Nope, we ain't going fast right now. I don't know where it's at, but it's in the road somewhere. I think it's right around this corner. I just remembered. Yeah, right there. That. Watch out for this shit. Like that side's even worse. If you hit that going fast on a motorcycle, wow. All right, so we're gonna end the video here, guys. I pulled off so that I could stop and record this little video and end it here. I appreciate all of the support that I've been getting on TikTok, and I want to kind of transition into doing motovlogs like I mentioned earlier in the video. And this is gonna be my first motovlog, so it would mean a ton if you guys would like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm gonna try to be more consistent with the motovlog. This is my very first one, so we'll see how it goes. But I appreciate all of the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.